Hello, today I will show you how to calculate employees' working hours and track overtime hours using Excel. You will also be able to monitor any missing work hours with this method. Calculating working hours in Excel is quite simple. First, gather the data of the start and end times for the days you want to calculate. Once you have this report, you can calculate the total working hours for each day. For this, go to cell E3, type an equals sign, and within parentheses, subtract the start time from the end time, then close the parentheses. After that, multiply the results by 24. Then I apply this formula to all the rows. But this method isn't just limited to regular working hours. If your employees are working overtime, you can also calculate those overtime hours in Excel. Or if you want to calculate missing working hours for each employee, you can find that with this method. To this, you simply subtract the normal working hours set by the company from the total working hours. Here we are using 9 hours, which includes the lunch break. I apply the formula to all rows. As you can see, the results show the overtime or missing work hours in terms of hours. We can also use conditional formatting to color code our table. Let's add a new row. I select the cells and go to Conditional Formatting, then to the highlight Cells Rules and choose Greater Than. Let's say it to highlight any values greater than 0 with a green fill. This way, we can highlight rows of employees with overtime. Next, with the cells still selected, we go back and choose less than from the same menu. This time, we will highlight any values less than 0 with a red fill. Lastly, with the cells still selected, we go to Conditional Formatting again, choose Equal to and enter 0. Let's set to the fill color to yellow this time. As you can see, we have highlighted employees with overtime, missing and exact work hours. This way we have made our table much easier to understand. You can also add filtering. This way you can filter by color to quickly find the values you are looking for, or to answer questions like how many employees have worked overtime. By using this method, you can easily track your employees' working hours and overtime. We have reached the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs and subscribe to my channel. Also, feel free to leave feedback or any other Excel related questions in the comment section. You can also access the working file with the link in the description section. You can get the file via Patreon. See you in the next video. Goodbye.